Blackfin rods. Look at that, boy, he hit it out of that bass bed. Look at that. Playing around. We got new Bass Elite rods from Blackfins, guys. My favorite. Got fins, got Canyon reels. We're out here playing with the bass. I just missed the spawn. These fish are off the bed. I mean, there's some big ones in here. Beds are big. And I missed it. Canyon reels, Bass Elite, Blackfin rods, guys. This is the crank-in light bait rod. See the bend in it? I love it because crankbaits and throwing Senkos and spinner baits on. This is the best rod to use right here. They got a flipping stick and everything else. Check them